The topic I chose to do my video on is Aristotle. Aristotle is a Greek philosopher who lived from 384 until 322 BCE to the age of about 61 or 62 years old. He contributed to a wide range of disciplines, including logic, metaphysics, politics, ethics, and empirical biology. He studied in Plato's academy from the age of 17 and founded his own academy, the Lyceum, outside of Athens. His ideas played a significant role in Neoplatonic, Byzantine, and Arabic philosophies, and his ideas were eventually reconciled with Christian thought by Thomas Aquinas. Aristotle's metaphysical philosophy differed from that of Plato, who believed that reality can be separated into two categories, the world of physical matter and the world of forms. Aristotle instead believed that the forms exist within the individual things, meaning that everything is a combination of its form, so the type of thing that it is, for example, a table, and matter, what it's made of, so in this case, the wood that the table is made of. A significant aspect of Aristotle's metaphysical philosophy is his four causes. In this case, in this image, we can see the four causes for a statue: material, formal, efficient, and final. The material cause is what something is made of, for example, stone. The formal cause is its shape/design. In this case, the statue looks to be modeled after a specific person. Its efficient cause, which is the process/agent that created it, in this case, perhaps a sculptor. And its final cause, which is its purpose/function. The statue could be honoring a person or could be used for educational purposes. Aristotle's contributions to logical philosophy include syllogistic reasoning, which involves drawing conclusions from premises. So using this reasoning would involve two premises and a conclusion that can be drawn for them. For example, all fruit contains seeds, and an apple is a type of fruit, therefore we can conclude that apples contain seeds. Aristotle believed that the universe is composed of different combinations of four fundamental elements. These elements are fire, earth, water, and air. He believed that each element is characterized by a unique pair of elementary qualities, these qualities being heat and cold, and wetness and dryness. The earth is dry and cold, water is cold and wet, air is wet and hot, and fire is hot and dry. Aristotle uniquely believed that plants, animals, and humans all have souls. He was quoted as saying that a soul is the actuality of a body that has life, where life is the capacity for self-sustenance, growth, and reproduction. Within this definition, plants, animals, and humans all apply. He also believed that souls exist in a hierarchy. Within this hierarchy, plants are at the bottom. They have a vegetative/nutritive soul. This consists of the powers of growth, nutrition, and reproduction. Animals are on the next step up. They have what's called a sensitive soul. In addition to what plants have, they also have the powers of perception and locomotion, as well as senses and the ability to desire things. Humans are on the top of the hierarchy with a rational soul. In addition to everything else, they also contain the capacity for reason and thought. In summary, Aristotle is regarded as the first genuine scientist in history. He contrasted many of the ideas held by Plato and combined intellectual thought with physical observations about the world we live in. Interestingly, he was one of the first professors to organize lectures into courses and use syllabi, and most importantly, he produced long-lasting ideas that served as the foundation for later generations of philosophy and psychology. All the sources used in my video are cited in the description, and thank you for watching.